Good morning, class 11 students. Myself Dilip Tripathi, physics teacher, and in class 11th, the first chapter you have completed, that is physical world, and also you have started the chapter units and measurement. In this chapter, you have discussed many definitions like physical quantities, fundamental physical quantities, units, and also discuss the different system of units like FPS, MKS, CGS, and last topic I think you have discussed, that is dimension formula of the different physical quantities. So after that topic, I will make it continue. The first topic for today's class is applications of dimensions. So our topic is applications of dimensions. You have discussed thoroughly the dimensions and how to derive and how to find the dimension of different physical quantities. तो ये dimension है क्या? Means what is the application of the dimension formula या dimension? So here we have topic for this, applications of dimensions. In applications of dimensions, in your syllabus there are three applications. First, to convert the given physical quantity from one system of unit into the another system of unit, and second, to check the correctness, dimensional correctness of the relation means the physical relation, any physical relation, any formula for the given physical quantity can be checked, dimensionally checked by this dimension method. And the third application is to establish the relationship between the different physical quantities for the given physical quantity. One by one we will discuss all the applications. So first of all, our first application is to convert a physical quantity from one system into another. This is the first application of dimension. कि dimension का use क्या है, dimension जो आप पढ़े हुए हो उसका application क्या है. So for this we have to convert the physical quantity from one system of a unit into the another. Let's see here. So for this topic, the very simple concept is using, that is the quantity of the measurement, the quantity of the physical quantity cannot be changed by changing from one system of unit into the another system of unit. For example, suppose this duster has its length 15 centimeter. Then in CGS system its length is 15 centimeter. If you will change the length of this duster in MKS, in meter, so its quantity means length will not change. इसकी actual length change नहीं हो जाएगी, सिर्फ उसके system के according उसकी measurement बदल जाएगी. See here, suppose we can write here length of the duster equals to 15 centimeter equals to 0.15 meter. See here, this is the quantity, measured quantity, length of the duster in two system of unit. First in CGS, that is 15 centimeter, and second in MKS, this is 0.15 meter. So these two values are same. Because both represents the length of the duster only. So this is the fact, this is the basis of the method which we will describe here. So for this example, you can give the general relation Q equals to N1 U1 equals to N2 U2. Say here, Q is the quantity, N1 is the numerical value of the given physical quantity in first system of unit, U1 is the U1 is the unit in first system. जैसे कि लास्ट में था 15 सेंटीमीटर, तो दिस इज 15 एंड दिस इज सेंटीमीटर, इक्वल्स टू N2 U2. N2 is the numerical value of the given physical quantity in second system of unit, and U2 is the unit in second system of unit. So this is our formula for this topic, to convert a physical quantity from one system of unit into the another system of unit. तो देखने में तो बिल्कुल ये इजी लग रहा है, बट वी हैव टू यूज हियर द डायमेंशनल मेथड. So we have to introduce some dimensional term here. So suppose the dimensional formula of the given physical quantity, जिस physical quantity के लिए सब डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो लेंथ हो, चाहे वो फोर्स हो, चाहे वो टाइम हो, चाहे वो वेलोसिटी हो और एक्सेलरेशन और whatever be the physical quantity, different physical quantity can be converted from one system of unit into another system of unit. So suppose the dimensional formula of the given physical quantity here is MALBTC. MALBTC, suppose this is the dimensional formula of the given physical quantity जिसके लिए डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. This is the formula. ABC are the exponents. ABC are the exponents of the given physical quantity, and suppose M1, L1, T1 are the sizes. You can mark comma here. M1, L1, T1 are the sizes of mass, length, and time in first system of unit, and M2, L2 and T2 are the sizes of mass, length and time in second system of unit. So using these information, these contents in the given relation, you can write here, since Q equals to N1 U1 equals to N2 U2, so you can write here N2 equals to N1 U1 upon U2. N2 equals to N1 into U1 upon U2. So N2 क्या है? N2 is the numerical value of the given physical quantity in second system of unit, equal N1 is the numerical value of the given physical quantity in first system of unit, N1. Now U1 can be written as M1A, L1B, T1C, and U2 can be written as M2A, L2B, and T2C, where M1, L1, T1 are the sizes of the given physical quantities. M1, L1, T1 are the sizes of the mass, length, and time, and M2, L2, T2 are the sizes of mass, length, and time in second system of unit. ABC are the exponents. ABC are the exponents of mass, length, and time in the given physical quantity. See here. Now N1. In class 9 you have learned the chapter in mathematics, exponent. So using the laws of exponent, this can be written as M1 by M2 to the power A, L1 by L2 to the power B, and T1 by T2 to the power C. So this is our formula. This is our formula which you can use directly for conversion of a given physical quantity from one system of unit into the another system of unit using the dimensional method. let's use one example here to solve this formula. Suppose in the example, given force is 5 Newton. In the question it is given the force applied equals to 5 Newton. 5 Newton means force is given in MKS system. Newton means Newton is the MKS system, and Newton is the MKS unit. MKS unit or SI unit of the force. Or suppose you have to convert this force into the CGS system. CGS system means CGS unit of the force is dyne. So you have to find the numerical value. This is the question mark, unknown term. We have to find this numerical value in dyne. इस force को 5 न्यूटन convert करना है dyne में. That is in CGS. You have to convert the force 5 Newton into the CGS system. You have to find 5 Newton equals to how much dyne. This is our problem here. तो अगर डायमेंशनल मेथड यूज नहीं करते हैं तो ऑलरेडी यू हैव लर्न इन क्लास 9 कि रिलेशन बिटवीन द न्यूटन एंड डाइन कि 1 न्यूटन इक्वल्स टू 10.5 डाइन. बट if in question it is asked that to solve this problem using the dimensional method, so you can't use the direct formula, direct relation between Newton and dyne. You have to use this relation. So let's use this relation. There is a problem here. 5 Newton in MKS, and you have to find the numerical value of the force in second system, that is CGS. So see here, we have two systems, MKS and CGS. In MKS system, size of the mass, length and time. Mass is 1 kilogram because it is MKS system. MKS system में mass की यूनिट क्या होती है? किलोग्राम. So 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. Similarly for CGS, M2 equal 1 gram. Why we have converted this 1 kilogram into gram? Because we have to convert the system numerical value in CGS. So दोनों को CGS में रखना है. We know that M1 is 1 kg, but to convert it into the CGS, we have to convert 1 kg into CGS also, that is 1000 gram. M2 equals to 1 gram. फिर L1. What about L1? Size of the length in first system. First system मतलब MKS. MKS में length को measure करते हैं मीटर में, so it is 1 meter. And 1 meter equals to 100 सेंटीमीटर. फिर क्यों सेंटीमीटर कन्वर्ट किया? बिकॉज फाइनली हमें सीजीएस में ही जाना है. तो 1 मीटर इक्वल्स टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. यहाँ पे L2 इक्वल्स टू 1 सेंटीमीटर बिकॉज सीजीएस में इट इज सेंटीमीटर. एंड T1 इक्वल्स टू 1 सेकेंड एंड T2 इन सीजीएस इज ऑल्सो 1 सेकेंड. चाहे वो MKS हो चाहे वो सीजीएस हो, साइज ऑफ द टाइम इज 1 सेकेंड. So using M1, L1, T1, M2, L2, T2, and also we required the ABC here. See the formula. Formula में अगर मुझे N1 पता है, N2 निकालनी है, तो we have to find these terms first. In terms में M1, M2, L1, L2, T1, T2, we have find this. And ABC क्या है? ABC are the exponents of mass, length and time for the given physical quantity. हमारे given physical quantity क्या है? Force है. And force dimension of force is mLT minus 2. You have calculated earlier. What is the dimension of force? mLT minus 2. Mass पे यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे जो exponent है it is 1. लेंथ पे क्या एक्सपोनेंट है? 1. ठीक है. Conventionally we have not written here 1 but it means not कि there is no exponent of mass and length. By default it is 1 M1 L1 T minus 2. So for this given physical quantity dimension A equals to 1, b equals to 1 and c equals to -2. फाइनली चेक करो, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला। n2 निकालना है, n1 दिया हुआ है, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड दीज ऑल टर्म्स फर्स्ट। इन सब में m1 m2 l1 l2 t1 t2 we have calculated, and using the dimension of the force we have now a b c also. So finally we have to use all the terms in the formula. We have to find the numerical value of the force in second system, that is n2. n1 क्या है? n1 is 5. m1 by m2. m1 is 1000 gram, 1000 gram divided by 1 gram. Exponent is a, that is 1. Then l1 by l2. l1 is 100 and l2 is 1. Exponent is b, that is 1 again, and t1 by t2. t1 is 1, t2 is also 1, and exponent is -2. Solve this relation now. n2 equals to 5 into 1000 to the power 1, that is 1000. 100 to the power 1, 100, and 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is 1, and 1 to the power -2 is again 1. So finally 5 into 1000 into 100 into 1, or n2 equal to 5 into 10 to the power 5. So this is the numerical value of the given force in CGS system. 5 into 10 to the power 5. n2 is there. This is n2. Now you can summarize the solution. Solution finally निकला क्या कि 5 Newton equals to 5 into 10 to the power 5 dyne. So this is our solution. Solution आप यहाँ भी छोड़ सकते हो, because we have to find the numerical value of the given force in second system of unit, that is just only 5 into 10 to the power 5. और ये summarize कर दिया कि जो finally क्या मिला हमें, relation between Newton and dyne. So this is the method to convert a given physical quantity from one system of unit into the another system of unit using the dimensional formula, using the dimensional method. You can practice. I am giving here some more example. Try to try to convert the given questions using dimensional method. Note down your homework. Suppose question number 2 is convert 15 joule work into the CGS system. See here, this is the question here. You have to convert 15 joule work into the CGS system. 15 joule work. The given physical quantity is work, and the given numerical value 15 in MKS, because joule is the unit of work in MKS system. So N1 is 15 in MKS system. You have to find the N2 in CGS system. So practice आप लोग करें for this question, and after this topic we have to discuss the second application of the dimension, that is to check the dimensionally correctness of the given physical relation. For example, first note down the heading. Second application is to check the dimensionally correctness of the physical relation. Physical relation means any formula in physics which suppose first equation of motion, second equation of motion, relation for the centripetal force, relation for the acceleration, or whatever you have the different relations, different physical relations. So for that physical relation you can check it is dimensionally correct or not. So for this application, I think you have learned the principle of homogeneity. I have seen you have discussed the topic in your previous classes, principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity क्या थी? आपने पढ़ा हुआ है. Principle of homogeneity states that a physical relation is dimensionally correct if all the terms in both sides of the relation have same dimensional formula. Repeating, principle of homogeneity states that if a given physical relation is dimensionally correct, then all the terms in the given relation in both sides will have same dimensional formula. For example, suppose a plus b equals to c plus d. This is relation, or simply you can write here a equals to c plus d plus c. This is the relation a equals to c plus d plus c. Then if it is dimensionally correct, then the dimensional formula of A equal to dimensional formula of C equal to dimensional formula of D equals to dimensional formula of E. मतलब दोनों साइड में जितने भी terms हैं, finally we have 4 terms A, C, D, E. All the terms will have same dimensional formula if it is dimensionally correct. So this is the principle of homogeneity. So for this application, we will discuss this application tomorrow. So try to understand the topic which we have discussed here, the first application of dimensional method, and try to solve the given homework also. And this application we will discuss tomorrow. So thank you very much and God bless you.